Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, just enough break in the overcast early this evening, get at least a brief look at the supermoon. Of course, the clouds really took over rather quickly, but from Warren, from our Eyewitness News photographer, Johnny Villela, what we call Johnny V, and just a gorgeous picture down in Warren. You know, it's really magnified when the moon is first rising low in the horizon. It's just very impressive. Of course, as it gets higher, the moon getting, at least the appearance getting smaller. But bottom line, a bright moon for a short time early this evening, but the clouds continue to roll in advance of our next weather system, which will bring some widespread rain on Tuesday. Beautiful down in Newport, cloudy skies. Temperatures mild for a November night. We're still in the 40s in many locations after reaching the mid-60s this afternoon. 47 in Providence, still 50 in Newport, as well as New Bedford. A little cooler in Taunton at 44, and westerly coming in at 47. So you can clearly see the precipitation bottom of your TV set just offshore working to the north. So I'm tracking an area of low pressure, a little compact storm system now off the Carolina coastline, and this will work north and east, bringing rain with it early tomorrow morning and lasting throughout the entire day. So we're not talking like a shower here and there. It's a widespread rain, heavy at times, could even be the rumble of thunder. So it's much needed, but it certainly is an impact on travel. So reduced travel speeds both tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon and evening. Initially, we are just cloudy and dry this evening, but clouds continue to advance northward overnight. Here we are tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., 43, with the showers just starting, becoming widespread throughout the late morning and early afternoon. This is noontime at 46. Take note of some of the orange colors indicating some downpours, perhaps the rumble of thunder through the late afternoon, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Only upper 40s to around 50, so a lot cooler than what we had today. Temperatures maintaining upper 40s to 50s tomorrow evening at 9 o'clock. The coverage of the rain starting to decrease. In fact, the warmest or the mildest part of tomorrow may actually be tomorrow evening, when temperatures rise through the mid and even the upper 50s. At this point, we're thinking up to an inch of rain in some locations by later tomorrow afternoon. Coastal flood advisory for the areas in green: East Coastal Mass, the Elizabeth Islands, the Vineyard. Does not include Block Island, does not include the south coast of Rhode Island. The combination of the supermoon, astronomical high tides, combined with an increasing onshore wind, some minor coastal flooding is likely in the areas shaded in green. Now, even though the south coast of Rhode Island, Narragansett Bay, not included in this flood advisory, there's the potential for at least pockets of minor kind of nuisance isolated flooding at the time of high tide around 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Very minor. We're not talking, packing your bags and leaving the coastline kind of a deal. So we'll watch it closely. Tomorrow morning, rain likely, cool, humid at 45, and that'll continue right through tomorrow afternoon. Heavy at times, a rumble of thunder. So again, some extra travel time. 7-day Futurecast. We're back to mild and dry weather on Wednesday. That extends into Thursday, Friday, the daylight hours of Saturday. Next chance of showers coming in Saturday night into Sunday morning. Temps in the 50s. Again, rain may be heavy at times tomorrow afternoon.
All right. Thank you, Tony. The latest